In this video, let's take a look at how we can stake your ponds in a step-by-step manner. We understand that this can be a little intimidating or daunting to begin with. So that is the reason why we wanted to give a visual presentation first so that you know what you're doing. We are one among the multiple operators that you can choose to delegate your tokens with. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. We have our own Telegram and Discord group where we will be happy to answer your queries. There is also MARLIN's official Telegram group as well as Discord group where you can direct your queries at as well. So there are multiple things that we have discussed, right from transferring the funds from your wallet to the Metamask, and how you can go about staking and how much is the cost involved, and all those details have been explained in depth. So if you still have more queries, visit our website or reach out to us in any of our Telegram or Discord groups. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First step, you'll have to transfer your Ethereum and POND balance to your Metamask wallet. So you can have your holdings in any exchange or wallet. So you can transfer from that particular exchange or wallet to Metamask. Here in this demo, I have chosen Binance as an example. So once you come to the wallet section in Binance, tap on the fiat and spot section. So here I have my balances displayed. So both POND and Ethereum. And let's first transfer Ethereum. So tap on withdraw. Once you tap on that, you will be asked to enter the recipient ETH address. So tap on MetaMask. It will give you the Ethereum mainnet. So make sure that you're selecting the Ethereum mainnet, and then tap on this particular address. So you can enter that particular address over here, and then choose Ethereum. So do not choose these two options. So I think if you choose this, it will straight away say that it's not applicable. And if you're choosing the other option, then it asks you for that. So basically you don't have to choose any of this because MetaMask is not compatible with these two means of transfer. So choose the Ethereum. It's going to cost you around $13.51 currently. So I would like to transfer all the Ethereum currently I have. So that's roughly about 0.0399. So you can use this max button there so that you don't have to enter or type anything there. So all you have to do is submit. So once you have submitted, you will be asked to enter the code. So for security purposes, I can't show you that. You can do that, and then once you're done, I will show you how it looks like after. So now you will get this particular withdraw request submitted option. So you have the withdrawal address displayed, and also in history you will be able to see that. So now if you go to MetaMask, you won't see the particular balance straight away. So it takes some time for it to be reflected. So you can verify that by tapping on verify withdrawal history, and in that we can go and check on the Explorer. As you can see, the transaction is still processing. So if you tap on this, you will be able to see that there is a transaction hash that is being provided. And if you click on that, then that will tell you what's happening. So now, after this is being successful, you will be able to see your balance reflected. So as you can see, it's just 0.035 Ethereum. 0.005 is the fee that is being taken. So now we have the Ethereum transferred. So the next step would be to kind of transfer the POND. Now let's transfer a POND. So since Ethereum is complete, let's move on to POND. So POND, you'll have to tap on withdraw again. Once you tap on withdraw, you will be asked to enter the POND address. So POND address is similar to Ethereum, whatever we did previously. So since POND is an ERC20 compatible token, we don't have a separate address. So basically, you will be able to transfer POND to the same address as you transferred Ethereum previously. So just enter the same address like I showed earlier, and then it shows only one option, and the minimum withdrawal as it shows is 314. So let's max out. So we want 999 to be transferred, but the fee for that particular transaction is 157 ponds. So I'll just get 842 ponds in all. So let's tap on submit. So you'll have to do the two-factor authentication again. Again, I'll see you on the other side. So as you can see, the withdrawal request has been submitted. So we will be able to see the withdrawal address and the amount. So let's go to withdrawal history and then confirm if it is being displayed correctly or not. Yeah, you can see that Ethereum has been completed and Pond is currently processing. So we can tap on this to see the transaction fee is 157. The transaction ID is yet to be generated. So we'll have to wait for a bit for this to be created. Once that particular transaction ID is created, then we'll be able to track that to see whether the transaction was successful or not. Okay, so now we have got the transaction ID. So you have an hyperlink to verify the status. So click on that, then you'll be taken to this particular section. It takes, now don't get worried by seeing this. It takes a bit for you to kind of display this. So wait for a few more seconds and then tap on refresh. We'll see some details. So basically it takes about a minute or two to kind of get all the details shown up correctly. So I click on this again. So then you can see that it's successful. So basically we were able to transfer 842 ponds, which is roughly around $150 to our Metamask wallet. So now let's go and see if we see the particular value here. So we don't see that by default. So that is a bit of a surprise or a shock for people who are doing it for the first time. So you'll have to add your token manually. So basically Pond is not like Ethereum, which is kind of present by default. So you'll have to add that manually. So for that, you just have to tap on this hyperlink here, MARLIN POND. So what you can do, this will give you the contract address, which is necessary for you to proceed or like add this to your MetaMask wallet. So copy this and then tap on MetaMask. As I said, you won't be able to see this particular balance for Pond yet. So tap on add token and then custom token. Then you just enter this particular value. Then once you do that and click on next, you will see the balance getting disappeared. So now you can tap on add tokens. So this way you will be able to see the balances displayed for Pond. So now you can see that both Pond and Ethereum has been transferred to your MetaMask wallet. The next step is to connect our MetaMask wallet with the Marlin site. So for that, visit this particular URL app.marlin.pro/relay and operator. So once you visit this particular site, you will be given this particular option to connect the wallet. So let's say if you tap on this particular option, then you're given two choices. I mean, ours is MetaMask. We're not using Wallet Connect. So tap on Connect here. Once you tap on Connect, then you can see the notification coming up by itself, and what it will do is like it will display the list of accounts that you have it connected. So here I'm choosing account 1. So this is the account where I have my Ethereum balance. So I'll select that, it's already selected, and I'll tap on next. And then the next thing is you will be able to click on connect button now. So tap on connect, then that is it. So now you have a confirmation that your wallet, which is MetaMask, has been connected to this particular site. The next step is have to choose whom you want to stake with. So you can stake with folks of your choice. Do your own research before you do the staking. So here, if you want to stake with us, then we can be found by the name Simply Staking here. So you can stake both the Pond as well as MPOND. So if you have MPOND, you can even run your own cluster. So it's up to you to kind of do that. So you can reach out to us for advice if you want to. So once you have decided this particular option, you just have to come and tap on this option delegate. So click on it. Then you will be asked to enter the amount you want to delegate. Since we have about 842 ponds with us, I would like to delegate probably, let's say, 800. So I would like to delegate it. So for that, you'll have to tap on approve. Once you approve, then by default you will see the MetaMask option coming up. So that needs to be two different transaction. So we'll wait for this confirmation to happen, and then we will confirm the same. So each of this particular transaction would need Ethereum. So as you can see, for this particular smart contract to be deployed, we need some transaction fee associated. So it is roughly about $15. So let's confirm it. And once you tap on confirm, then you will be asked to kind of approve it one more time. Yeah, it takes roughly about a minute or two for this approval message to be shown up. So you'll have to wait patiently till then. So then you just have to tap on confirm. So here you have to pay the gas fee, which is the amount as shown there. So it's roughly 0.02 Ethereum. So I'll tap on confirm. So it took me about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, the window disappears automatically. Then you will be able to see your staked amount over here. So I have 42 ponds left in the balance, and I have delegated about 800 ponds to this particular cluster. So now if you have delegated MPOND, then that will be displayed here as well. Then there is the unclaimed rewards. So this is the section where you will see your rewards come up. So basically the rewards are updated once in a day, roughly around 7 a.m. UTC. So basically you can check around that particular time to verify how much you have got the rewards. So based on the performance of that particular cluster, it might vary. So you can be the best judge to determine whom do you want to do that. So you have the option of staking more amount, or you want to unstake from that particular cluster and do it to somebody else. So the option is completely yours. There are four different stages where you have to pay some sort of fee. So the first one was to transfer my Ethereum from Binance to Metamask, which costed me 0.005 Ethereum. Then again, to transfer Pond from Binance to MetaMask costed me 157 pounds. So both of the transaction roughly costed about $14 and $30 based on the current prices. So that's like $45. Then after that, I had to place two different smart contract transactions in the MARLIN site. So each of which costed me some amount of money. I can go to MetaMask and then verify that particular cost associated with each of that activity. So first one was just to have a basic approval spend. So that costed me about 0.003 Ethereum, which is $9. And the next transaction to kind of confirm the delegation, it costed me about $42. So that's like $45 paid already, with the 42 here, which is about 87, and another 9. So roughly around $100 is what it cost me to kind of place the staking transaction. So if you need this particular transaction fee to be nullified with the profit, then the amount of stake that you do has to be significantly higher. It cannot be a lower amount, which doesn't make sense. So I'll leave it up to you for making that particular decisions. If you have any queries with respect to how much you can do and stuff, you can always reach out to us. So the best way to reach out to us is to visit our website, that is simply staking.co.uk. So here you can see all the in the services that we are providing. So in case if you have to delegate, you can just come in and directly tap on this delegate option, which will take you directly to our cluster, and then do this transaction from here. If not, if you'd like to contact us, tap on this particular page, then follow us on Twitter. We constantly update you with the latest happenings in the world of crypto, and also join our Discord and our Telegram channel and ask your questions. So that is it. So you have successfully delegated your pond to one of the clusters. Hopefully, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.